breath, get real high, and I scream at the top of my lungs. One more time, a little louder. Wake up in the morning, I take a deep breath, scream at the top of my lungs. All right, everybody, to the right. Hey, left. Hey. Tap your arms. Other side. All right, now stomp. Hey. All right, now just bounce a little bit. We got this.
Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up, this is my third one of these I've tried looking for George Brett. I mean, you probably have to go buy cases and cases of them to actually have a good chance of getting one. But, they're probably too expensive for what you get. But it is cool to get a slabbed autograph card. And, you know, there's Mickey Mantle cards in this stuff for crying out loud. So you got a chance of getting something really cool. But we're hunting for George Brett. Alright, there's the card. We got empty box. Go check the other two videos and see who we pulled in the other boxes. Alright, here we go. This is, by the way, 2024 Topps Archive Signature Retired Player Edition. So all the players in this set are retired players. Okay, this one's out of 24. 21 out of 24. It's a catcher on a team that wears blue. Might be Brewers. Still can't see a logo, really. There's number 18. Is that Todd Zeile auto? Oh, Jason Kendall. It is Brewers, though. It looked like a Todd Zeile, kind of, if you look at it just right. Anyway, I don't know what year that is. That is 2009 Topps. Okay, so Jason Kendall of the Brewers on card auto. I don't have a Jason Kendall auto, so I'll add that to my collection. Thank you for watching. Guys, if you guys pulled anything really cool from this, put down in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.